Welcome, everyone. Today is Friday, December 3rd, 2021. It is day 59. Will you please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please stay standing while we have the Aborn School Pledge. I respect myself. I respect others. I respect my school. I am ready to learn. For the morning announcements today, Miss Felitti is here today, so she will be covering for music preps. And we have learned so far this week about the Hanukkah candles, the holiday of Hanukkah, the dreidel, and we learned yesterday how to make latkes, which look unbelievable. So today we are going to watch a little video on Hanukkah. And Friday is our Tri Bond Challenge. So our three words today are work, Rocky, rail. I'll put the answers up onto Schoology around 1 o'clock today. Have a good day, everyone.